Good morning and welcome to day 88 on the Continental Divide Trail. I am currently hanging out by the McDonald's with Snowcat and Jeezus. So we had a pretty interesting night last night. Slept in a dugout in a baseball field because all the hotels that we were looking for were either incredibly expensive, around like $300 a night, or already completely full. So we went with free and worked out really well. So no harm done. Everything is cool. So went to McDonald's here, get some big breakfast, and then try to figure out what to do with our day after charging up our electronics and stuff like that. So we'll see how the day goes. I take advantage of town the best I can. Oh yeah. So we just stopped by the Steamboat Springs Chamber of Commerce because we heard that they might have a little goodie bag or something like that for CDT hikers, and we got a haul. We got $10 all-day admissions to hot springs and showers. We got some honey stinger supplies, some energy bars, and energy gel, which will go great in the basin. Even got these CDT embroidered socks from Point 6. Get a free pint at Mountain Tap Brewery, and all of these stickers, which you can bedazzle your smart water bottle if you so choose. Well, if you're like Jesus here. So we got ourselves a haul out here, all free, all from the Steamboat Springs Chamber of Commerce. Really nice people. It's a cool place. So thank you so much to them for giving us this awesome swag gear. All right, we got a plan together for the day finally, and it's looks like it's gonna be a real good day, but we're spending pretty much all of it in Steamboat and then getting back to the trail later, thanks to a trail angel who contacted me through Instagram. So but for the moment, laundromat. So going to the laundromat and then get some beer, and then after that, charge our stuff up, do some gear repair, and go from there. Do you see how dirty that water is right now? Well, laundry's done, so now we're just waiting for the bus to get back to downtown so we can start enjoying some beer and some hot springs and showers. Nice cameo by Jeezus walking through the downtowns. Nice little window shops, restaurants, bars, you name it, they got everything. You heard it here first, folks. There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
Too laid back on it.
So part of that goodie bag we got from the Chamber of Commerce in Steamboat Springs included showers and hot springs for $10. That's pretty solid. So now we're gonna jump in and check out some hot springs, and let's take a look. $10 to access all this, and I'm gonna be getting on these water slides. Ooh, baby, it's nice. I just got out of the hot springs and finally got a shower in, so we were feeling damn good, and a little bit pruny as well, but awesome time. We definitely hit that water slide way too many times. It was awesome. So on to the next part. I believe it is resupply, and then be getting back to the trail pretty soon. All right, I just went to the Safeway after a nice ride on the free bus from downtown, and got a resupply, but got a little too much food. But we're trying to live in luxury, so getting back on the trail tonight, we're gonna have some hot dogs, and then went and bought an entire bottle of ketchup to bring with me through the desert, so that'll be interesting. But the pack is closing, so it's not overfilled. I've done that before.
With the buns.
Well, apart from the buns, but I think I took them out on purpose because I didn't want to crush them, so I think I'm gonna hang them on the outside or something like that.
You wear them like a necklace.
I could wear them like a necklace. Yeah, Jeezus comes up with some pretty good ideas. So now I believe it's time for some Taki Bees, and then back to the trail. All right, so we got some Taco Bell, and then we met up with a trail angel, Chris, with Anderson Adventures & Co. And they gave us, all three of us, a ride back up to the trailhead. And now we are currently night hiking just to find a camp. So thanks so much to Chris and his wife for bringing us out. Shout out Chris. And now we are back on trail, well fed, and ready to find some camp and sleep so we can bang out some big miles tomorrow. Alright, we made it into camp. No particular camp, just kind of a flat spot along the side of the trail because we decided to stop hiking, but we kept going for quite a while longer than we originally expected. So stats for today, got 3.6 miles in and about 800 feet of climbing. So not quite a zero, a little more of a Nero getting out of Steamboat Springs. But good to get a little bit of walking, a little bit of elevation in. It was super comfortable, really chilly air and beautiful open night skies with all the stars out, and just cruisy hiking, nothing terribly steep. So it was working out really well. So now we're just going to have one of these beers, got brought out of town, and then I'll probably just head to bed because I'm feeling pretty tired. None of us got very good sleep last night at the baseball dugout. So looking to get real good sleep in tonight. Just slipped into my nice new 0.6 socks with a CDT logo on them. So they're feeling pretty nice and comfortable, and everything's just going really well. So good day overall. Got a lot of stuff done and had an awesome time. So that is the end of today. I don't believe I have any photos, but if I do, I'll throw them up on there for you. And tomorrow we will get back into hiking and try to see if we can put in a real solid day and see some good views on our last couple of days here in Colorado. See you tomorrow.